tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm doing a decorate with me video after Easter. I'm redecorating with a few additional touches after the Easter season. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I started by going round and taking down my Easter decor, and what I do here is I pack everything away in my buffet and hutch. I truly enjoy decorating for the Easter season, and my bunny collection just keeps on growing every year. Once I packed everything away off camera, I then decided that I would start first of all on my bedroom. My sweet friend Melissa on Instagram sent me a message and said, "Hey Shell, you need to run into Spotlight. They're having the hugest sale. They have this beautiful luxe teddy quilt cover set, guys, and they come in 3 different colours. Now normally this retails for well over $100, but all sizes will mark down to just $49. As we've just gone into autumn here in Australia, I absolutely fell in love with this. It has a fur feel, and it is the coziest thing that I've ever slept under, guys. I've already noticed in the last week or so that Australia is definitely getting colder. We have just gone into autumn here, and the last few days have definitely been sweater weather. So this quilt cover was ideal to transition into the colder months.
I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you look like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll let the one anyone knew. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it.
I also added this chunky neck throw to my bed. This one is from Adair's. These adorable little love cushions were picked up recently from Target. They're part of their Mother's Day collection and actually have the words Mum on the back. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up and giving it justice, guys, but this beautiful duvet cover is completely fake fur, and it is so soft. To change up my curtains, and I recently picked these ones up, guys, from Big W. These are inexpensive curtains that were just $19 a pair, and I thought they'd make the perfect addition in my room. Now, after I filmed this, I definitely steamed these guys, but I really love how they came.
Girl, I need you. How many
decorating on a budget, guys, I absolutely love Kmart Australia. And I recently picked up this little mini sideboard that you see here that my husband is constructing. Guys, this was just $49 and I absolutely love how it came. If you're looking for inexpensive ways to decorate glam, Kmart Australia definitely has you in mind. I love their Luxe collection, and for just $49, this was the perfect little addition for a small area in my home. Now on my kitchen island, I absolutely love to decorate with little vignettes. I took this little timber chopping board. It has a gold handle and it's from Big W. I then took a little plate stand, guys, and I took one of my coffee table books and opened it up with the picture of Chanel.
Grow without water.
I then added my favourite candle, which is from Kmart Australia, and I love changing up my little vignettes, guys, once a week on my island. So I really like coming up with new and different ways to do a little vignette on the kitchen island.
And let's enjoy the ride.
I then headed into my living room, and guys, I was so excited when I went back to TK Maxx last week. And I don't know if you've been following me over at Instagram, but last time I visited TK Maxx, I walked away from this beautiful mirror.
You tell me.
My sweet friend Betsy Ann here on YouTube was like, Shell, if you go back, I truly hope you find it, because over here in the States, Z Galleries sell this for 3 times the price. I knew in my heart of hearts I had to find this mirror, guys, so you can imagine how happy I was when I walked in and it was still there.
And let's enjoy the ride.
I changed around some furniture in my bedroom and bought out my mirrored console table, and I knew it'd look perfect underneath my mirror. I added this beautiful fake fur rug that I recently picked up from Big W and placed that in the front.
I'm with you. Say something, don't be speechless. I'm sleepless, so alone in this stillness. Oh, I long for.
I then added my beautiful Glam lamps, which are a purchase last year from the store Ronnie's Home Depot, as well as these beautiful fake white flowers from TK Maxx. I also added from my local dollar store these cute little bling candle holders. I also then added this Glam Lazy Susan to the centre.
Let's enjoy the ride.
And to the top of that, this beautiful Glam box that I picked up from TK Maxx.
Let's just live a life.
Underneath my console table, I added these 2 blush pink ottomans, which are from Kmart.
Grow without water. And they gave when it's cold. Oh, and we could go till we're old.
Now, you know your girl Shell always loves shopping for a bargain, so I was really excited when I recently came across this 3-seater sofa cover in blush pink. Spotlight had this on clearance for just $45, guys, and it instantly transformed my old 3-seater couch. The thing I loved most about this couch cover was not only did it give me an instant transformation, but I could take it off so easily, wash it and replace it at any time, and it was definitely an inexpensive item that had the impact I was after.
Down when driving on the highway, the wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars.
My sweet little Shih Tzu Bella Boo loves sitting in my living room. She cozies up on this blanket, guys, and just settles down for the night, and I think it is so sweet.
You make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close.
for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when decorating your home's glam.
Oh, I just wanna be.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
Come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby, when I'm with you, I have the time of my life. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I just wanna be close